5 proven strategies for excel in your workplace. In today's competitive work environment, just showing up and doing the work is not enough. To stand out and advance in your career, you must consistently perform at a high level and be the best. In this article, we share 5 proven strategies that can help you excel at work and achieve your professional goals. Determining clear goals and priorities. To be successful in your career, it is important to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve and how to achieve it. Set realistic and achievable goals for yourself and make a list of priorities that will help you stay on track. By focusing on the most important things, you can avoid distractions and achieve more in less time. Continuously learn and develop your skills. In today's rapidly changing work environment, it is essential to stay up to date with the latest industry trends and developments. Take advantage of any training and development opportunities your employer offers and actively seek new learning opportunities. This will help you gain new skills and knowledge that can make you a more valuable asset to your organization. Building strong relationships. Having strong relationships with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders is critical to success in any workplace. Take time to build relationships with others, appreciate their contributions, and seek feedback to improve your performance. A positive work environment can make a difference in your level of job satisfaction and success. Be active and take initiative. Don't wait for others to tell you what to do, take the initiative and be proactive in your approach to work. Look for ways to improve processes and procedures and be willing to accept new challenges and responsibilities. This can help you stand out as a high-performing employee who is always looking for ways to help the organization. Stay positive and flexible. Finally, it is important to remain positive and resilient in the face of challenges and difficulties. No one is perfect and everyone makes mistakes sometimes. Instead of focusing on your failures, focus on learning from them and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. By maintaining a positive attitude and growth mindset, you can achieve great things in your career. By following these 5 strategies, you can set yourself up for success in the workplace and achieve your professional goals. Remember to stay focused, continue to learn and grow, build strong relationships, take initiative and maintain a positive attitude. With persistence and hard work, you can be the best and reach new heights in your career. If you are looking for better ways to improve your life, subscribe to our channel.